If you own a Volkswagen Golf, Polo, or Tiguan, you've probably heard of the MIB2 head unit, one of the best upgrades you can make to your car's infotainment system. And within the MIB2 lineup, the true top tier models are undoubtedly the 682F and 682G. From my experience, these two MIB2 Discover Media units represent the pinnacle of OEM Volkswagen infotainment. Their sound quality easily rivals the legendary RCD 510, and they are fully compatible with Dynaudio and Fender audio systems, a huge plus for music lovers. Even better, the touchscreen clarity and responsiveness of the 682F and 682G are exceptional, with vibrant brightness and color reproduction that outperform many newer factory systems. In terms of functionality, both versions not only support wired connections but also come with a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto interface box, OFERI, in both USB and Type-C ports. Whether you use an iPhone or Android phone, you can enjoy seamless wireless integration for navigation, music, and calls. They even support gesture control, allowing you to switch menus or adjust volume with a simple wave of your hand, a fun and futuristic touch that makes the experience truly premium. Compared with MIB1, the MIB2 system runs much more smoothly, with faster startup times and a cleaner, more intuitive interface. If you're still using an older MIB1 or RCD unit, upgrading to MIB2 is a major leap forward. It refreshes your dashboard and elevates your entire driving experience. When it comes to pricing, different MIB2 versions vary depending on features such as built-in navigation, language support, and CarPlay capability. You can find detailed information, pricing, and optional accessories directly on our website, Scumaxcon. We provide plug-and-play harnesses and decoders tailored to each bubbly model, so installation is simple and no wire modifications are needed. The MIB2 system is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Golf MK5, Polo, Tiguan, Passat B7, Sharon, and other MQB-platform models. If you're upgrading from MIB1, you'll notice a dramatic improvement of faster interface, superior audio, and full smartphone integration. For enthusiasts, the MIB2 toolbox also allows firmware updates and customizations such as changing the boot logo, enabling hidden menus, or adding new language packs. In short, the MIB2, especially the 682F and 682G models, is the ultimate OEM level upgrade for Volkswagen vehicles. It retains the original factory look and feel while adding modern features like wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and Gesture C. Control. Whether you care most about audio performance, interface design, or smart connectivity, this system delivers it all. If you're ready to modernize your Golf, Polo, or Tiguan and enjoy a smarter, higher quality driving experience, the MIB2 is your perfect choice. Visit Scumaxcon.com for more details.